As a cold zephyr blew across the historic Vijay Chowk, multiple colors dotted the sky with around 1,000 drones taking flight. A projection mapping show with myriad hues that depicted the country's 75 years of independence and food-tapping tunes filled the air, marking another colourful beating the retreat ceremony on Saturday. For the first time in more than 70 years, popular and favourite hymn of Mahatma Gandhi, Abide With Me, did not echo at the Vijay Chowk, where dignitaries and people wearing masks gathered amid pandemic clouds. The hymn was replaced by the popular patriotic song "Ae Mere Watan Ke Logo," which was written by Kavi Pradeep to commemorate the supreme sacrifice made by Indian soldiers during the 1962 Indo-China War. This year's ceremony was conceptualized, designed, produced and choreographed under the Make in India initiative.